We all know the power of LinkedIn for job searching and networking, but how can you leverage it to accelerate your career and ensure that you are discovered by the right recruiters, hiring managers, employers, and industry peers, not just from the current and past network, but those who are relevant to your future career goals? Most candidates create a Swiss knife kind of profile that attempts to make them appear qualified for their current job, their desired job, and the range of the new role across various functions, industries, and leadership positions. If you do so, this can lead to confusions for your profile visitors and will move them to the next profile. In this video, I want to share with you the LinkedIn strategy that helped me receive frequent calls from executive recruiters and led to C-suite positions at multi-billion-dollar companies. In case you are new here, I'm Tiffany. I'm the former communication vice president of the two largest companies in Sweden by market cap. In this channel, we talk all things to help middle management get executive positions. So if you want more content on this topic, subscribe and click the bell button to be notified when I post new videos every Thursday. Now let's get into it. The most crucial areas to focus on is your headline. As you may know, if you don't, now you will know, LinkedIn auto-populates this field with your current position. For example, if your current position is sales director at X company, having your LinkedIn headline auto-populated with your current position is a missed opportunity and a complete waste of valuable real estate, because this is the most eye-catching space on your LinkedIn profile, your headline. So what you want to do is to maximize the entire 120 characters to craft your own attention-grabbing headline. Why? When I am searching for a candidate like you, my search result will only display your name and your headline. If your headline is not engaging, I will overlook you and move to the next. However, if you create a compelling headline, I will be more likely to click and explore your complete profile. Let me give an example of how a director used her compelling headline to attract the right recruiters and opportunities. Let's have a look. Sales director, international growth. Over 800 million euro P&L, 40% revenue growth in 5 years. Build and led innovative and long-term cross-industry partnership for a rapidly expanding transportation company. Now let's do a LinkedIn search of sales director. We see lots of sales directors, but no one else with compelling headline that communicates they have what it takes in their headline. Most of them just populate their headline with their current job title. This is a very good sign now that you know most people make the same mistakes. The second most important area on your LinkedIn is your About section. Now that your headline has attracted the right people or the right recruiter, you want to keep them reading. Tell a compelling story and write it in the first person. This is quite different from your resume. Your LinkedIn summary gives you much more space. You actually have up to 2,000 characters to highlight past accomplishments and make yourself relevant to your next career goal. This is especially important if you have had various positions across over 3 or even more functions. For example, you've had positions in the supply chain, operations, even in the R&D. Now what you need is a cohesive narrative that pulls together. Otherwise, your profile will appear to be fragmented pieces of your career history. You don't want to leave your profile reader wondering what the heck you are trying to do now, or why you appear to be so scattered and unfocused. And here's how you can achieve this. You will need to connect 3 areas of your professional and leadership experience with an opening statement like this. I am devoted to and excel in 3 areas, each area strengthening the other. Let me expand on each. Number 1, leading and managing cross-functional teams. With a proven track record, I have successfully led and managed cross-functional teams made of over 400 members, including engineers, designers, and project managers. This collaborative approach played a vital role in driving the product development process from concept to production. It resulted in remarkable outcomes, including a 25% reduction in time to market and the introduction of a renewable energy product that increased our market share by 15%. Number 2, overseeing procurement activities. My expertise extends to overseeing procurement activities recently for a 46 billion euro automotive company. This includes supply selection, negotiation, and contract management. Through the establishment of strategic partnership and procurement strategies, we achieved a significant cost saving of 10 million euro annually. These efforts contributed to operational excellence and ensured that our supply chain remained resilient and agile. Number 3, optimizing production processes. I'm passionate about optimizing production processes to enhance efficiency, quality, and cost effectiveness. My focus on continuous improvement and agile lead to measurable enhancement across the board. We reduced the production cost by 12% while simultaneously improving product quality and increased output by 18%. This example makes it easy for readers to quickly skim the summary by including the headline that calls out each of the three areas. Next, let's make connections between the three functional leadership experience. Let's continue my example. The beauty of these experience is that they reinforce each other. Leading cross-functional R&D team has honed my ability to foster collaboration, ensuring that procurement and production teams work seamlessly together. This alignment not only streamlines processes, but also enhances procurement strategies by providing real-time feedback from the shop floor. Furthermore, my proficiency in procurement enhances production optimization. By negotiating favorable terms and building strong supplier relationships, we not only reduce costs, but also secure the resources needed to implement the cutting-edge manufacturing improvement. In turn, the improvements achieved in production directly impact the product development process. With more efficient production process, we can accelerate the time to market, bringing the renewable energy product to our customers faster. By combining these three areas of expertise, I have created a harmonious synergy within the organization. Together, they reinforce our ability to deliver quality products, reduce cost, and drive innovation. Three key factors in maintaining our competitiveness within the automotive industry. And finally, let's end this summary with an invitation to a specific type of people. I'm always open to new and challenging opportunities that allow me to further apply my expertise and contribution to the success of dynamic teams and organizations. If you believe that my skills and expertise align with your vision and objectives, I welcome further discussions. Reach out to me here on LinkedIn, and I look forward to connecting. And the third is your experience. Once you have nailed your headline and your summary, you want to tailor each of the positions in your experience section, and here is how you do that. First, you want to continue to write in the first person. This will provide continuity with your first person summary, which you just did in the about section. Next, you want to focus on accomplishments, not responsibilities, as you would in any executive resume or profile. But highlight only the accomplishments most relevant to the next level of career you are looking for. Make these accomplishments concrete and concise by clearly stating the problem using the CSR format. C is the challenge you solved, S is the solution you provided, how you did it, and R is the result you've generated, CSR. Here's an example. My role in overseeing procurement activities for a 46 billion euro automotive company evolved addressing the challenges of lowering product cost, where I achieved 10 million euro in annual cost saving through strategic partnership and procurement strategies. Next area is recommendations. As with any LinkedIn profile, you want to add recommendations to selected positions, the ones most relevant to the next career choice you are looking for. Invite 2 or 3 people in your network to recommend you, and don't hesitate to guide them on their testimonials. You will make it easier and faster for them as well, and this will be more effective for you too. Tell them exactly the type of positions you are now targeting and the competence you'd like them to highlight. Next is you want to use images and media samples to draw attention to your most impressive accomplishments. Add them only to the positions you want your new profile visitors to focus on. For example, images where you speak in a conference or links you were featured on the trade media. If you're serious about advancing your career and get results in the next 3 to 6 months, submit your application to the 1% Academy program where I will be coaching you. Go to inspiremyday.org/apply or click the link in the description below to book a free strategy call with me or my team member. For now, I'll leave you with this video to find out how to turn bullet points into stories on your executive resume. See you there.